Welcome back. In this tutorial, I will guide you how to write on the line in the Word document. When I write something on the line, for example, I write the solution, then you can see that the line has been stretching from left and right side. So what is the best way to type on the line? Let me undo that and head to the insert, and here you will see that text box. Click on that and click on the draw text box, and now draw the text box over the line and write solutions. Once you see this four-sided arrow, you can move it anywhere on the line. You can adjust the position and make it center, left, right, right, and after that right click and go to the format shape, and on the right side you will see that line. You need to click on the no line and click, and here you can see that. So this way you can easily type on the line in Word document. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.